Hello everyone, today I would like to explain you about the top 5 shortcut for Procreate. First of all, when you want to draw a Procreate, you need to understanding the basic one first. Firstly, I would like to introduce you the very important first about the zoom with the fixed screen. Mostly when you draw and you zoom out, zoom in, you will see your screen, your paper is not fit to your screen. So sometimes you try to move your hands, it is not fit to your screen. But we have to understand, like as I show you, is just 2 fingers and with a fast. So your screen gonna be fit to your iPad. And you can zoom in, zoom out with 2 fingers very fast. Anyway, for the second thing, I will explain you more about how to font. I'm not to show you about that. For the main thing is the left side area. You're gonna see 2 buttons and 1 in the center. But for this one is on the top, that is refer to the side of the brush. You can move up, your brush gonna be bigger, but for this one is very big, so the screen look around is too big. So I move a little bit. You see, there is a big screen with your brush, and you move it down a little bit, your brush is smaller. Move bigger and your brush is bigger. Okay, and do for the up. When you move down, that is refer to the capacity, mean your shadow of your brush. But for main things, when you move down or move up, it depends on your first drawing. If you draw the first time, it means your heavy of your hand, you cannot control it, so you need to use it. But when you draw, mostly when you draw it, you can control with your hands. You not care too much about the capacity. Okay, I draw for you now. See this, when your hand is cannot control, and it will be the duck. When you move a little bit, your hands is still the same, but your come out is a little bit lower, and you move down, it's gonna be more lower. But when you know how to draw it, you can draw with heavy or light tone, dark or light tone, based on your hands. Okay, you see, from the low to the dark area. You can small brush, small size, big, small, depend on you. Then do back. And for the third things is about how to match the color. When you try to match the red color, use it, and you draw, oh, cannot. Why? We have the shortcut for that, to make sure about the color is matched. Okay, I let move mark this one for number 1, and the down is number 2. Easy for you to understand. Okay, we need to use these shortcuts. You click it and you have one cycle, and you move it to the color that you want. So your color gonna be changed to that. And you see, that is the second color. and you move that to the first one, the first. Okay, let's draw. You see, you can match with the color. Is very easy for you. No need to try to find it, because as you know about the color, it has many code RGB, and you need to put very much about the number clearly, so you just get a color. But now we have a shortcut for this one. But anyway, there is not only for to click on icon. You can click a little bit long on your screen, you can get that shortcut also. Okay, you see, you can the same, you can click with the shortcut, or you can click longer on your screen, you can get the same color match. This is gonna be more easy for you, for the basics, for the beginner. And for the 4 things about the undo, as I told you before, is about the 2 finger. But another thing, we have the shortcut on the screen. You see this one? You know why there is only one? Did it all because your drawing is only one time, and this one is 2 times, so you can undo one by one. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. If you have any comment, please comment below, and if any feature or app that you want to understand, you can ask me. See you.